Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Champagne. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again on my journey. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing. I apologize. Last week was really crazy and I didn't have time to record my savings challenges. I did do them. So when I record this week's, you'll see that I did complete all of them for last week. I did close out my investing challenge and did put my money in Robinhood and finish that out, and I'll be starting a new one. But before I get started with my cash stuffing for my first week of February, I would like to give a little shout out to Anne over at Making Money Moves. She has such an amazing channel. She's so funny. She just intrigues me with her conversation. She's from Canada, so she's got the beautiful money. So please take a minute, go check her channel out, subscribe to her, like her videos, follow her journey. You will not be disappointed. She makes me crack up with almost every single video. I just adore her and love watching her content. So I will put a picture up of her channel. Again, she's Making Money Moves here on YouTube. So please go check her out. Love her pieces. So before we get started, I'm going to empty out my cash envelopes for this last week. I did spend some of my money. I was doing pretty good at not spending majority of my envelopes, but I did spend this week. So in gas, I have $10 left over. I've been doing pretty good with gas. I've just been kind of going to work and back. I haven't been really going anywhere else. So I think that's helping me. I'm thinking about changing the way I budget things around and lowering things. I really want to knock out the debt that I'm focused on, which is my private student loan. So I'm going to look into that some more. But anyways, this will be going towards my savings challenges. So that's 5. And food. I did go to the store and get some bottled water for the baby. I don't know if anybody's having the same issue, but all of our stores out here are completely out of the nursery water. And so we've just been going from store to store and trying to order some, but it's out everywhere. It's the weirdest thing. So I just got some distilled water. He is bottle fed, of course. His mom does pump and give me breast milk, but we kind of do half and half. So anyway, so I did spend some money on that water. So we do have 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18 left over. I am still trying not to eat out during the week at work. Beauty rolls over, but right now we have 20, 40, 55, 65 left in beauty. I did pick up some things that I needed. And then, of course, in my spending, I did not touch it this week. I was very tempted to stop at the dollar store on my way home today, but I did not. I stopped myself, and so I still have this $20. So all of this will go towards my savings challenges, which most of it goes towards debt. So what I was able to save this last week was 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So not bad. Now going back to my gas, and yes, I did have some people reach out to me regarding my gift cards here. I don't really go to Chick-fil-A all that much, so that's why how I ended up with 3, I have no idea, but I really don't go there. And Baskin-Robbins was a birthday gift. Although I love their ice cream, I just don't go there that often, so that's why I have these ones still sitting here. And the gift cards that I have aren't of places that I shop at regularly. Like I have movie gift cards, you know, the gift cards for a movie and a dinner, and it's just not something that I've been doing right now, so they just sit there. My other ones, I probably should be using, and I am gonna set a goal for myself to try and use those instead of just letting them sit there. But anyways, so first, gas is getting its 50. So I do fill up every Saturday. So gas has its 50. Food will be getting its 25. So food will have 25. Beauty will be getting its $25. And of course, with Beauty, I do have a hair appointment coming up in 2 months, so I'm slowly saving up. But a lot of the money that I use out of here is for different products that I need. But right now, Beauty has 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 90. And then, of course, for spending, I will get my $20. I already have some things that I'm thinking about getting, so I may or may not dip into this. The $20 in spending is pretty much the only extra money that I give myself to spend. I try and budget everything else. And like I said, I haven't been really buying anything. So this is something that I put into place. Actually, I take that back. I do have a buffer in my checking account when I get paid. And so I was using that money, but I'm trying not to. I'm trying to get down to a zero-based budget. I was pretty much at that, but it's not really that if I'm using the buffer. So that's why I started giving myself this spending money. And then, of course, the change will go into my change container, but I will do that once I'm done recording. And so next we are going into my more long-term savings, sinking funds. So for today, my car registration, whoa, knocked everything over. Car registration will be getting $6. So now my car registration has 100, 150, 170, 190, 195, 96, 97, 198, and I will fill out my trackers after I'm done. Let's see if I can bend this a little. Nursing renewal, it's not due for another 2 years, but I'm just slowly saving up for it. It will get its $5, and so now we have 50, 75, 80. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. It's kind of cold over here, although I can't complain. I am in California, so my cold touches nothing on everybody else's cold that they're dealing with. But it is colder than what I'm used to. And then moving, we'll be getting its 50. So now moving has 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 601, 602. Don't ask me where these $2 came from. They're kind of just hanging out. But hey, you never know. I may need them. Welk fees will be getting its 40. I do own a timeshare. I did pay off the actual loan for the timeshare, and so every other year I have to pay certain fees, maintenance fees, and so I'm just getting ready for my maintenance fees next year so that I don't have to use my credit card or anything. I want to be able to have it, or majority of it. I really want to start trying to use my timeshare. Sad to say, I've had it for a couple years and I've not used it once, and it is in a good location. And I do have it through Welk, so I am able to trade, and they do have resorts in other areas. And so I'm really trying to set a goal to really look into it, how to utilize it and use it for my vacations. But anyways, it has 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Let's see. P.O. Box will be getting 6. So now my P.O. Box has 10, 15, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Amazon Prime is not getting anything, and that loan's not getting anything. So let's see. Next, we will be going into family. So my nieces and nephews have been coming over, so I've been dipping into this, buying them food and stuff like that, just hanging out here at the house. So it is fluctuating, but today we will be putting 10 in. So now family has 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100. Fun is not getting anything today. Birthdays, I do have a couple coming up. So I have taken some out of here and slowly putting it back in just to keep it good. So now birthdays has 100, 120, 130, and 135. Medicals, not getting anything today. Clothes will be getting its 10. So now clothes has 100, 150, 170, 190, 200, and 210. Support small will be getting $5 today. So I will put my 5 in there. There are a couple shops that I am looking at to buying things from. I really like the savings challenges, but right now I have all the ones that I can do at the moment. I am starting to get some prepared for when I'm finished with these savings challenges. The one challenges that I'm doing right now, my goal is to finish them by June, all of them, and throw that chunk of change, is what I'll call it, to my debt. I'm hoping to pay my loan, which is at $7,800 right now. I'm hoping to have that paid off with the savings challenges and my monthly payments that I make towards them now. And so I will start fresh savings challenges as soon as these ones are done. They're all pretty much done around the same time, if not a week or two off from each other. And so I am looking at new savings challenges. I'm not trying to buy too many right now because everybody always comes up with some amazing fun savings challenges. And so I'm trying to give myself some time. And then, I don't want to buy all of them now. And then in, 3 months, 4 months from now, somebody comes up with another one that I like and then, want to get that. And then I'm overwhelmed with too many savings challenges. So I'm just going to focus on the ones I have now and then support other shops. I don't just support shops that do savings challenges. It can be anything that I support shops with, or Patreons or anything like that. So I will continue to stuff this one. My car maintenance will not be getting anything. And yes, I'm still holding on to the money that my son gave me. I just haven't had it in me to spend it. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do to it. A little sentimental with it, so I'm just holding on to it. So that is my stuffing for today, for week 1 of February. I am kind of a month ahead on my bill, so the way I break down my cash envelopes is at the beginning of the month. I have the cash to be able to spread them out already and know what I'm going to be stuffing for the month. Kind of keeps me on track, lets me know, how much I need to take from my side business, my side hustles, to put towards my savings challenges. So I'm not overspending, trying to keep it to where I'm not taking too much money from my business, and to where I'm comfortable and not giving myself too much money to where I'm spending on needless things. So that is the way I'm trying to figure out the best way to break it down in a video. I'm not very good at explaining things because I change my mind a lot, and so I may record it and then tomorrow I may change my mind and want to do it a different way. But for now, that's the way I do things. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave me a comment. If you made it this far, leave me a smiley face, say hello. Again, thank you so much for continuing to join me on my journey. My goal for February is to reach 500 subscribers. So please like my videos, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate my subscribers so much, and those of you that continue to watch my videos, you guys don't know how happy you make me feel, and this community is just amazing. So thank you again for sitting with me this long, and I will see you on my savings challenges. Bye.